Is this the last of the season for this build?
Box is staying the same. Just getting ready to upgrade for more power.
Oh man. What is your power right now?
7K.
Sound cube? Or not, Wolfram. Wolfram.
Yep, 7.5 Wolfram.
Nice. How do you like it?
I love it.
Is it still a 12 volt?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, I like that. Get to see your temperature. You ready, Jess?
Yeah, let me get it down just a few more degrees.
That's fine, man. So what is the tuning specs? Has it changed, or where are you at frequency-wise?
19 in the rear, 40 in the front.
Okay. All right.
I can jig from 16 all the way to 60.
So are these hooked up to two different things, or?
That's the front, that's back in the back.
Okay.
Just
so
to make sure
the
I've got
alternator and the amps. Yeah. They should be within what, 0.2 volts usually?
Ish.
Yeah, ish. Yeah, around there. Sundown ZV5s.
4s.
The 4s? Okay. I can't remember everything. I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Wow.
It's always that number.
Did you ever test this, opening it up just to see?
When I put more power to it, I have to open it.
You do?
On lower power, I have to close it back up.
Okay. What was your SPL numbers for the show, for the season?
20 hertz. Final score, subsonic. World finals was a 54-1 at 20 hertz after 2 minutes.
2 minute run.
Yep.
Whoa.
Joel and I actually tied, so.
Oh, wow.
Good run.
Man,
In my good
congrats.
competition all summer.
Okay, man. Solid. Yeah.
All right, ready?
Yeah, man, we're ready. You ready?
Flexing on that beach. Hold up.
Go get the stick. Hold up. Rotation. Hold up. Going through the translations.
Awesome.
Jeez, I can't see anyway.
Yeah, it messes up your eyebrows and everything, man. Wow. I appreciate it, man. Awesome, man. Excellent,
That's why I
man.
always keep my eyes shut.
Yeah.
I get to my eyes, I'm like,
Yeah, it's playing. Yeah, keep
Brutal.
going.
You're a low end monster, dude. How does your highs do? The high end, like your higher frequency.
That's all right.
Are you peaking still really like low 20s?
Yeah, about 28.
28, yeah. That's a low peak, yeah. Most people are peaking in the 30s or 40s.
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
Let me find it.
You want to get in?
All the hoes.
Oh, this is a good one.
Ain't gonna do worth a crap over there with the window open, but not a big deal.
You want to put it up?
I don't care. Doesn't matter to me.
Put it up. Yeah, you put it.
You want it up?
Yeah, put it up, Mama. He's gonna put it up. still, dude, it's like a back scratcher too.
It's unreal.
Like my back is itching right now.
Oh yeah, I know.
Dude.
So does mine. It's like,
You get used to it.
yeah. Well, no, not really.
No. I appreciate it, Dan.
Hey man, no problem. Thank you.
Man, this is impressive, dude. To be honest, that low end response.
That's what I'm built for.
That's right. Thank you, man.
Hey,
wow. What's up, man? Great. You too.
Placing on that beach, all up.
One go get the stick. Hold on.
Placing on that beach, all up.
One go get the stick. Hold on. Rotation. Hold up, going through the. Rotation.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.